Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We get a number of people that come in here who are in an exercise program and they're looking to add another exercise for their legs. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you a great exercise for your legs that I don't see a lot of people doing. And it's an awesome exercise that you can do at home. You don't need any gym equipment or anything like that. So join me, shall you? This great exercise for your legs that I don't see a lot of people doing are jump squats. Now, jump squats aren't anything new, and it's a type of plyometrics training. Now, plyometrics are a type of training in which you're trying to exert maximal force of your muscles in a short period of time to increase power. So, here in just a second, I'm gonna show you how to do a jump squat. Now, a prerequisite for being able to do jump squats, you should be able to do a full range of motion air squat. So that is the prerequisite. So you wanna make sure before you jump into jump squats, make sure you're able to at least do a full range of motion air squat. And I'm gonna put a link in the video on how you can do that so that way you can progress to jump squats. So let's do some jump squats. As noted before, you wanna make sure you can do a full range of motion air squat before you jump into doing jump squats. And that's what it is. It's squatting and jumping in the exercise. So here you are, you're in your full range of motion squat, right? Air squat, full range of motion, all the way down and all the way up. But this time, what you're gonna do, as you're down here, you're gonna explode. And remember, maximal force in a short amount of time, you're gonna explode upward and you're gonna jump off the floor. See that? Bam! And you're gonna land in your full depth squat. That's why I mentioned it's a prerequisite. You wanna make sure you're able to do full range of motion squats. That way your body, your lower extremity is ready for these. So again, here we are. You come down into your squat and boom, explode straight up. Just like that, like you're jumping as high as you can. You can even use your arms to extend up. Boom, just like that. So, just like you're jumping as high as you can. So come down in your squat and then jump as high as you can and then land in that squat. Now, with that in mind, I can't emphasize enough, make sure you can at least do your full range of motion air squat prior to engaging in jump squats. Well, that's the basic jump squat. Here in just a second, I'm gonna show you a number of variations for it. The first variation for jump squats are jump squats forward, backward, side to side, and diagonal. I'm gonna show you here, check this out. So, this mat is actually works really well because it's cut out in 9 different pieces. It's nine different pieces in a square here. And I'm starting out in the middle right here. So, I'm gonna go into my squat right here. Kind of a squat stance, I'm gonna go side to side. So I'm gonna jump to the side, bam, back to the center, jump to the side, back to the center. Boom. Jump to the side, back to the center, jump to the side, and back to the center. Just like that. That's the side to side. Now the forward and back is simply forward and back. So here I am in the squat. I'm gonna explode up, go to the front, and then I'm gonna go backwards, and go forwards, and backwards, and then forwards, and then backwards. Okay? So that's forward and backwards. You can also do diagonal. So here you are. Come down in your squat, you go diagonal, over here, bam, and diagonal, here, see that? Diagonal, side to side, forward and back. Those are great. That's one great variation for jump squats. So Here in just a second, I'm gonna show you another variation. This is another variation that you can do, which is awesome as well, without any equipment. So we kind of covered the forward and back, the side to side, and the diagonal, but we're gonna rotate. So as we jump, we're gonna rotate in varying degrees. Usually we have folks start out in the 90-degree rotation. So they're gonna come in here like this, they're gonna come down to their squat, and they're gonna rotate to their right 90 degrees as they jump, boom. And then they're gonna come back to center, and then they're gonna jump the other way 90 degrees. See that? These are 90-degree jump squats. See that? Boom, 90 degrees. The next step from that is to go 180. So here you are. You come down in your squat, you're gonna explode up into 180. And you're gonna go back, 180. You go the other way, 180. And here we go, 180. And those are 180 degrees. And as you can hear already, man, I'm already out of breath from doing those variations. Now the next one is the 360. I'm gonna challenge myself, see if I can do this here. So here we go. We're gonna do a 360, right? You gotta jump really high to do this. So we're gonna come down on our squat. We're gonna explode up. We're gonna go, almost 360. And then we're gonna explode up, go the other way. And into a 360. Well, almost a 360. 350. I'll give myself that. So those are some variations for the jump squat. And I tell you what, this is a fantastic exercise for your legs that I don't see a lot of people doing, that's gonna add a whole other dimension, add that plyometric explosiveness to your leg workout. And what we usually recommend are starting off with just one set of 10 to start out with, and then work yourself up to one set of 15. And as you move from there, go to 2 sets of 10, 2 sets of 15, 3 sets of 10, and then 3 sets of 15. See how that goes for you? Man, it's gonna be a great leg exercise to add to your repertoire of leg exercises. Anyway, if you have any questions with this video, drop them off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you're new here, hit subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button, because that'll keep you in the loop with subsequent videos coming here in the near future. And that way you can continue to move well, live well. Also, I know you know folks who are looking to add another dimension to their leg exercises. Share this with them. Sharing is caring. That way they can continue to find and achieve their fitness goals by adding this exercise into their repertoire of leg exercises. Sharing is caring. Also, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. It lets us know you care. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.